YouTube? Today I'll be locating and checking out the MAF sensor that I have on my 2012 GT. So let's get into it. Here is the MAF sensor. First, what you want to do is there's a red clip on the underside. You pull it out, and then this housing wiring harness is able to come out, and then you take the two screws out. Two torque screws right here. Use a size 20. After you get the two screws out, you can gently pull this out. This is off a 2012 GT. It's looks pretty good for 100,000 miles. If this is your first time stopping by DNA Drives, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And consider subscribing to us here at DNA Drives. I make Mustang on this 5.0 right here. It's mine. It's a 2012. And then on the channel, we also have Chrysler 300 SRT content. And then we have a Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2016 with the 3.8 liter V6 engine. Definitely check out our cars, and I hope you subscribe to us today. Thank you so much for watching. Take your time out of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.